Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Marvel logo intro. We will begin by identifying the crucial software and hardware you will need. Then, we will dive into crafting the distinctive visual elements, focusing on dynamic text and logo animation. Finally, we will cover integrating powerful sound design to give your intro that authentic, cinematic feel. Get ready to bring your creative vision to life. To start, you will definitely need Adobe After Effects, which is the industry standard for motion graphics. Make sure your computer has at least 16 gigabytes of RAM for smooth performance. A high-quality vector Marvel logo file is also essential for crisp visuals. Having a graphics tablet can offer much more precise control when working on intricate details and effects. Now, let's bring your logo to life. Import your high-resolution Marvel logo into After Effects. Apply a striking metallic texture and subtle lighting to give it depth. Animate its appearance with a dynamic, fast-paced reveal, perhaps from the center outwards. Don't forget to add a dramatic lens flare effect that sweeps across the screen, enhancing that iconic cinematic feel. The final touch is crucial. Sound design. Choose a powerful, cinematic sound effect that perfectly complements your logo's reveal. Synchronize this sound precisely with the visual animation to maximize its impact. Consider adding a subtle background hum or an atmospheric soundscape for extra depth. Finally, export your finished intro in a high-quality video format, such as H.264, ready for use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.